Nigga, spoil me and be selling boy out bar flips. We got a lot of people on blood, the island was Crips. So we called niggas out the pit who couldn't coexist. I never did it for no fame, but acknowledge I'm lit. Look at my chain, this ain't get killed for a robbery attempt. He know he gotta say my name for a song to click. Look like she hurts you every day, and see life as a bitch. What's her name going against the brainwise Kai got
the Merc Lab music blessing y'all.
problems with